Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the English e-learning platform. Dear students, today I brought before you the new poem from your Enjoy and Learn textbook, that is Sing a Song of People. What is the name of the poem? Sing a Song of People. So, in this poem, the poet describes how people these days are in such a hurry. So, wherever they go, they are always in a hurry. So, let me read out the poem and then explain. Okay? Sing a song of people. Sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus. People passing in back and front of us. People on the subway, underneath the ground. People riding taxis round and round and round. People with their hats on, going in the doors. People with their umbrellas when it rains and pours. People in tall buildings and in stores below. Riding elevators, up and down they go. People walking singly, people in a crowd. People saying nothing, people talking loud. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too. People who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. So this poem is written by Louis Lenski. So let me explain about this poem. So dear students, this poem draws our attention towards the people who always seem in a hurry. These people can be seen in everywhere. Some are walking fast and some are slow. People are moving in bus or taxi, walking here and there. Okay, so they can be seen on the subway. Some are with their hats, some are with their umbrellas. So some of the people carrying hats, or some of the people, some are carrying their umbrellas. So they all are in a hurry. People are going inside and outside. Some are riding elevators, going up and down. So some are walking singly. So singly means alone. So they are walking. The people who are walking with alone. Okay, lonely they are alone. No, walking. Some are in groups. So some of the people are in a crowd. So some are quiet, but they won't talk too much, while others are talking loudly. Some are laughing, smiling, while others are not in good mood. So the poet says that people are in such a hurry that they will not look at you. So moreover, the poem tells us that nothing stops people when they are in a hurry. So nobody bothers others, nobody cares, everyone seems to be busy in their own work. So this is all about the today's poem, my dear students. So I hope you all have understood very well and recite this poem with proper stress and intonation. And in the next class, we will discuss about this poem's question answers. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day.